Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Remote Sensing GIS Home. This is Santanu. Today we are going to discuss about what is land use, land cover map. There are different type of level, that is level 1, level 2 and level 3, and how to create LULC map from satellite image. So before start the tutorial, I will requested to all, please subscribe my channel. So at first we want to know what is land. Land means the solid form of the earth surface. So the solid form of the earth surface, that is called the land. Okay, land can be divided in different types, that is physical, biological. Okay, so at first we want to know what is the land cover. Land cover means the physical and biological cover of the earth surface. Physical means the physical feature of the earth surface, that is mountain, pond, lake, water bodies and different kind of features. And biological feature means the feature related to biosphere or biophysical properties, that is biological features. So including artificial surface, agriculture area, forest and natural area. So when land cover means the physical and biological cover of the earth surface. Here is we can see a satellite image of Sentinel-2 false color composite, and another is the land cover map that created from Sentinel-2 image. Here we can see in the just a minute. In the red brighter color, that is cropland, that is red brighter color in cropland. In the land cover map represented in yellow color. So here yellow color represented as a agriculture cropland. Agriculture cropland is another land cover feature of earth surface. Then go to here is the agriculture fallow land. This is the agriculture fallow land. This is the agriculture fallow land in represent in this color. Okay, this color represented, sorry, just change the color, in represent in this color, that is agriculture fallow land, that is agriculture fallow land. Okay, so agriculture land, agriculture fallow land is a land cover feature, and another is the shrubland. Here is the, we can see the a shrubland also. Okay, that is shrubland, that in the feature of the shrubland as a land cover feature. Another feature is the scarp forest. Here is the scarp forest feature is represented at the land cover. Another is here represented in the dark color, that is water body. Water body is another feature of land cover. Now we are go to the land use. Land use means the when earth surface use different commercial, social or economic purpose, that is land use. So land use means tertiary characterized according to its current and future plan, functional dimension or socio-economic purpose. Okay, that is can be residential or industrial, commercial, agriculture or forestry. Okay, residential can be divided in broad category, that is build up industrial, build up rural or build up urban, that is agriculture, different type of agriculture pattern, and forestry different broadly, that is evergreen forest, deciduous forest, and recreation also as a land use feature. So now we can see another map of land use created from Sentinel-2 image. Here we can see in gray, white is in the settlement. Settlement represent here as a red color. Okay, then we can see another is a linear feature, that is the road. Road is the another of land cover features, sorry, land use features. So settlement, land, and another road is here also, this is another land. So land settlement and road also is a land use feature, that category in the build up area. Another feature is a canal. Here canal also man-made, so it is a land use feature also. So now we can see the build up industrial, Birarua canal, or another is village road also. Here is the village roads. Okay, then we can see the build up rural. Here build up urban also and build up rural. So that's all categories as goes to the land use feature. So land cover means the biophysical biological feature of the earth surface that's cover in broadly, that is the land cover. Or land use means the feature is the earth surface used in different purpose, that is the land use features. So now we can want to know what is the LULC level 1 classes. The broad category or primary feature of the earth surface that called is level 1 classes. So level 1 classes is major level 1 level or broad classes is agriculture, build up, forest land, grazing, water body and wetland. Wasteland. Okay, so we can identify our primary or major classes through the supervised or unsupervised classification from different software. Here agriculture is a primary feature or the level 1 classes or broad category. Agriculture means that land used in agriculture productivity. So here use the land as a agriculture productivity. We can see here the paddy land used in agriculture productivity, or it's used in different of food processing, livestock farming, that is agriculture. Another is the build up. Build up means when we can use land surface as a residential area. Here we can see the residential area, it's covered with non-agriculture area. So where the non-agriculture due to non-agriculture grow, that is build up area or residential area. It cover high-rise building or some slums area, low or continuous building, sparse building, that is called a build up area. That is another is forest land. Forest land is the primary feature. So forest land means when a area covered with forest canopy or tree canopy, that call the forest land. According to forest land is the land where any land covered with 10% more than 10% the tree and 0.5 hectare area, that is called the forest land. Or grass or grazing land, it is a natural feature or due to the minimum rainfall or different of feature, that is kind of grassland. Water body means the submerged feature of the earth surface. Water body, different type of water body can it can be in lake, pond, river, canal also. Wasteland means the degraded land, the uncultural land or unused land can be the wasteland, where is the rainfall is minimum and no productivity, that is called wasteland. Now we can see the level 2 classes. So when primary classes classify in the major categories, that call the level 2 classes. So now we can see previous slide, agriculture as the primary feature or level 1 classes, built up and forest land. When agriculture divided in major categories, that is agriculture cropland and agriculture fallow land, that is the level 2 classes. Okay, or secondary classes. Another is build up. Build up can be classified in the build up industry, build up rural or build up urban, that called the secondary classes or level 2 classes. And another one is forest land. When forest land classify or major category, that is foreign plantation, scarp forest or so on another. Okay, that called the level 2 classes. Now we can see this is by the image. So now vegetation is a macro classes. Vegetation is a macro classes or primary classes or level 1 classes, okay, or level 1 classes vegetation. Another is a build up primary classes. When vegetation classified is 2 categories, that is grasses or trees, that is the level 2 classes, that is the level 2 or secondary classes. A build up is the primary classes, when is classified building, road, so that is the secondary classes. Now we can see easily easily understand by the flow chart. So here vegetation is a primary classes or level 1 classes. When vegetation divided into 2 categories, one is forest and another is grassland. So forest and grassland are level 2 classes. So forest and grassland level 2 classes. Another one is build up one is level 1 classes or primary classes. Build up can divided in buildings and road. So building and road are level 2 classes. So through the previous slide we can see the primary classes, and in this slide we can see the level 2 classes. Now go to what is LULC level 3 classes. When primary classes divided in the major classes, that's called the level 2 classes or secondary classes. When secondary classes divided in minor classes or more accurately, that is called the level 3 classes. Now we can take an example. Here is the vegetation is primary classes. Vegetation divided by 2 classes, one is the forest and another is the grassland. This is the level 2 classes or secondary classes. Forest can be divided in 2 categories here. One is deciduous forest and another is evergreen. Okay, so this is the tertiary or level 3 classes. So deciduous forest means when this is the terms of forest phenology, when forest leave their leaf in seasonally a particular season, that is deciduous. Another is evergreen. Evergreen forest means when a forest all times in evergreen, there is different type of category evergreen, that is semi evergreen, broad leaf, okay, so on another. So grassland divided by 3 category. One is alpine, another is hillside and another is church. Alpine means the high altitude where grassland growing up. We can see example, if the Himalaya region in high altitude growing the grassland, that's called is alpine. Hillside means the mid altitude of the any hilly region or the Himalaya region is mild altitude growing here the hillside grassland. Church, the foothill of the Himalaya region are growing the grassland, that is called church. Okay, so in this flow chart, by this flow chart we can see the level 1, level 2, 3 classes. So level 1 classes is vegetation, level 2 forest, level 3 grassland. So forest divided in deciduous, evergreen, and grassland divided in alpine, hillside and charge. Okay, now we can see a table. Here is the level 1, level 2 and level 3. In the previous slide we know about the agriculture, build up, forest land, grazing, water body and wasteland as the primary feature of the level 1 classes. Then agriculture divided in 2 category, agriculture cropland and agriculture fallow land, that called the level 2 classes. And build up category in the level 2 classes, build up industrial, build up rural, road or rail, okay, or build up urban. Then go to the forest. It is the forest plantation or scarp forest, grazing, grassland or grass temperate, water body, canal, inland, lake, reservoir, river, wasteland, scarpland and open forest. So when level 2 classes are categorized in the minor classes, that is called the level 3 classes. So agriculture crop divided in the 2 categories, that is crop Rabi and crop Kharif. Crop Rabi means the crop growing on the winter season, okay, or the crop growing depend on the irrigation system, that is called the crop rabi. Crop rabi means the wheat, one example of wheat. And kharif crops, when crop growing in the rainfall season, it depends on the monsoon season, or it not depend on the irrigation system, that is the crop kharif, that is jute, paddy. Okay, agriculture philo system, we know the agriculture system is more dimensional and systematic. When a agriculture land is take rest, that is agriculture fallow land, or where in the other sense, where rainfall is minimum, or a particular season there is no irrigation system, that can be a agriculture fallow land. Where another is road. Road can be divided by in 4 categories, that is the national highway, state highway, district road and village road. Okay, so let's another category is rail. Rail can be divided by railway line is meter gauge, broad gauge and narrow gauge. So all about these are level 3 classes. Another build up urban. Okay, here also the build up area. So build up area we can see here, so we can see here the build up area category in the 3 category: build up industrial, build up rural or build up urban. So build up can be the sparse, or build up can be the continuous, and build up can be the vegetated. Okay, so thank you everyone. If you like my lecture, please subscribe the channel and join my Telegram channel, link in below section. In this video I target 100 likes. After that I will make a video about the demo, how to create land use land cover map and different type of label by the satellite image using ArcGIS. So thank you everyone. Please subscribe my channel and join with remote sensing GIS.